Hi guys, here we have another Math Olympiad question which says find the integer solutions for this AB plus C equals 2020, A plus BC equals 2021. Now here usually we have done equations with two variables. Here we have two equations with three variables. So how many solutions are there? We have to find out what is the value for A, what is the value for B, and what is the value for C. So what do we see here in this? What is the difference between 2020 and 2021? 1, right? We see a difference of 1 between 2020 and 2021. So what can we do? We can subtract, right? After subtracting, we get a difference of 1. So let's subtract these two equations. Let's start with subtraction. So here we have, let me just write down, let this be equation 1 and let this be as equation 2. Now let's subtract 1 from 2. So we have A plus BC. So A plus BC, and then we are subtracting equation 1 from that. So minus, we have AB plus C is equal to, we'll write down 2021 minus 2020. That will give us A plus BC minus into plus minus AB minus into plus minus C is equal to 1. The difference between them is 1. Now let's combine the terms. I can see A and A in this term, so let me write it down together. A minus AB, then I have plus BC minus C is equal to 1. Now what do I do? Here I have A common. The term A here, so let me take it out common. A times 1 minus B plus, here I can take out C common, so I have B minus 1 is equal to 1. Now what do I see? Here I have 1 minus B and here I have B minus 1. They're not same. There's a difference of signs here. So let me make it similar to that. So I have A into 1 minus B. What I'm going to do is take minus 1 outside. So I have minus 1 which I've taken outside. Then I have C. Now if I have minus and minus can make this B positive. I'll have to put minus B. Minus into minus plus B. Now again, minus 1 into something should give me minus 1. So that will be plus 1. Minus into plus will make it negative is equal to 1. Now I can write it as A into 1 minus B minus C into 1 minus B is equal to 1. Now they are same. These terms are same, so I can take it out as common. So I have 1 minus B taken out. Now what is left? A and here minus C, which is equal to 1. So I have two factors, 1 minus B and A minus C. Now we need to find the values of A, B and C. So how many solutions can we have? Here there's 1. So 1 is a product of 1 times 1 and it can also be negative 1 times negative 1. So you have two solutions for this. Let's write down. The first case is, it will be 1 minus B is equal to 1 and A minus C is equal to 1. That's the first case. And the second case would be, and the second solution will be, that will be 1 minus B is equal to negative 1 and A minus C is equal to negative 1. 1 minus B is equal to 1. So what do we have? B is equal to 0. And what will be the values of A and C? So for that we need to substitute back the value of B in the equations. Substitute back the values of B in this equation. So let's write it down. AB plus C is equal to 2020 and A plus BC is equal to 2021. If we put B is equal to 0 in this, just put B is equal to 0. So what do we get? B is 0. So C is equal to 2020. And then what do we get if we put 0 in this one? So B is 0. So A is equal to 2021. So we get the three values. Let's write it down. C is 2020 and B and A is 2021. So let us write it down here. A is 2021 and C is 2020. So this is how we got three values of A, B and C here. Let's find the values of A, B, C here. What do we have? The value of B is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So what is the value of A and C here? So let's substitute B is equal to 2 in the equations. So we have this equation when B is equal to 2. What are the two equations? 2A plus C. So I've got 2A plus C is equal to 2020. And then another one, we have 2C plus A. So A plus 2C. A plus 2C is equal to 2021. Now to solve two equations with two variables, either we can use substitution method or we can use elimination method, both. So let's try with elimination method. To eliminate a variable, we need to make it same. So we are going to multiply this whole equation by 2. So what do we get? So we have 2 times 2, that's 4A plus 2 into C plus 2C is equal to 40. And another equation I'm going to write that as it is. A plus 2C is equal to 2021. Now we've got two equations to solve. Let's solve for that. We can eliminate the variables, just change the signs. 2C gets cancelled. 4A minus A is 3A is equal to 40 minus 2021 is 2019. So A is equal to 2019 divided by 3. 29 divided by 3 is equal to 673. Now we've got the value of A. So let's put it back. So here we have A is equal to 673. A minus C equals to -1. We found the value of A. So let's put it in that. A minus C is equal to -1. A is 673. 673 minus C is equal to -1. So C is equal to 673 plus 1, which is equal to 674. So we have got the value of C, 674. So that's the value of C, 674. So we have got two solutions with values of A, B and C. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.